to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click on that thumbnail to watch this content. Couple of shout outs. First, I'd like to shout out Shauna LaCal. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name. She gave me a shout out in one of her recent videos and I greatly appreciate it. Go check out her channel, Shauna LaCal. The other shout out I like to give is to Bree. Bree gifted me this beautiful bracelet. She noticed that I wear bracelets on my arm. I guess you can see them when I'm doing my videos. So she gifted me this and I am greatly appreciative. Thanks once again, Bree. So let's move into this video. CB2 art dupe. I saw a CB2 artwork a while ago and I did not like the price. I fell in love with the art, but didn't like the price, as well as some of the other artwork that's in my home. It's always a dupe or duplicate of something that I've seen. This is no different. I saw a YouTuber, her name is I Style My Style, that's her YouTube channel. She did the same art dupe, but she did it with cardboard boxes. Genius, turned out really well. You should go check out her channel as well. But I decided, hey, she inspired me to do this, but I wanted to do it with a different medium. So I'm always buying pictures and whatnot and changing them out. And I decided to, once again, I say shop your home. I shopped my home. And there was a picture that I got from the Goodwill that it fit the space that I had in at first. But then I decided, hey, I'm going to change some stuff up and just doing some, just redoing some colors. And it didn't quite fit anymore with what I want to do. So I said, this would be the perfect piece of art to do this CB2 artwork. So if you're interested to see how I did this artwork, stay tuned. And let's get started. So here is the original artwork that I purchased from Goodwill. I did use it in my home for a bit as is. It had the original colors that I wanted, but now I'm changing things up and I want to do something different. So I purchased these Cork crafter squares from the Dollar Tree and I'm taking the backing off of them. They have adhesive on them. They'll stick really good to just paper, but what I find is on other types of textures, it doesn't stick too well. So I would definitely encourage you to add another type of sticky glue, whatever. I wouldn't use hot glue though, because you want this flat and you don't want the hot glue it kind of raises things up a bit. You want this to be completely flat for the most part. I'm placing these butting up against each other and I'm placing them random. I'm not placing them in a linear fashion. I'm just doing one and then I might do another one vertically and horizontally until I finish the entire inside of the artwork. Now here is where I create the circles that I'm going to place on the artwork. I'm using an old saucer. You can use any circular object to trace. I'm tracing the back side of the crafter square. Now when you cut the circle, remember not to discard the remaining pieces because this is also another geometric print that's going to be used on the artwork. I'm now cutting 2 triangular pieces that I'm going to use in the artwork as well. Now I'm placing the other geometric pieces that I cut randomly onto the art. So for these pieces that are going over top of the cork that's already there, I would definitely encourage you to get a stronger glue, because I found that over time, I let it sit overnight and I came back and a couple of the pieces had started to come off. So anything except a hot glue gun, because you don't want it to raise up. You want these pieces to be flat. Now here is how the piece looked with just the cork. You could stop here if you wanted, but I decided to take it a step further and paint the piece black. I used the Sherwin-Williams Tricorn black, which I love that color. It's like a very true black, and I tend to use it for a lot of the things that I need to paint. You can easily use spray paint as an alternative, but I didn't have any on hand at the time. So again, sometimes I do my projects and I use whatever is available. I put 2 coats on and let it dry overnight. And after a coat of spray lacquer, here is the finished product. I hope this video inspired you to create your own personal work of art. Remember, inspire, create, change, transform. Until the next video, thanks for watching.